Bringing the beauty of nature indoors has always been a timeless trend in interior design, and one of the most captivating ways to achieve this is through nature wall art designs. Whether it's a serene forest landscape, a vibrant floral print, or a minimalist botanical sketch, nature-inspired wall art has the power to transform plain walls into calming and inspiring focal points. Modern homes in 2025 are embracing eco-inspired decor more than ever. Large canvas paintings of mountains, rivers, or trees create a sense of depth and openness, making small spaces feel bigger and brighter. For a softer touch, watercolor floral designs or leafy patterns add freshness and warmth to bedrooms and living rooms. Another growing trend is 3D nature wall art, such as metal tree sculptures, wooden carvings, or layered botanical panels that add texture and character to interiors. These pieces not only enhance the beauty of a wall, but also bring a sense of nature's presence into everyday life. Digital prints of sunsets, oceans, or wildlife photography are also popular, offering modern elegance with a realistic touch. Combined with proper lighting, these artworks create a peaceful, rejuvenating atmosphere. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or bohemian, nature wall art designs can blend seamlessly with your decor, turning your walls into a gallery of natural beauty. It's more than decoration. It's a way to bring serenity, positivity, and timeless charm into your home.